In this video, I will be showing you how to make a transparent background in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I navigate up to the top left corner and click on the purple Create a Design button. From the menu of preset sizes, I scroll down and select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas in the editor. Once the editing workspace loads, I move over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Elements tab. In the Elements panel, under the Recently Used section, I click on See All to browse my available graphics. First, I click on this pink bandage illustration with the heart detail to add it directly onto the canvas. I grab the corner handle to scale it down to a smaller size, and then I click and drag it over toward the left side of the workspace. Next, I go back to the left sidebar and click on the second graphic, which is a pink bow hair clip. Using the corner bounding box handles, I adjust its size to balance with the first image, and then I position it right in the center of the canvas. For the final element, I select the bouquet of pink tulips from the panel. I click and drag the corner handle to resize the flowers, and then I move them into place on the right side of the canvas. I do a quick adjustment on the middle clip to ensure all three elements are well spaced and aligned, and then I click off onto the canvas to deselect everything. Now that the design elements are set up, I move up to the top right corner and click on the purple Share button. In the Share menu, I scroll down and click on Download. The file type is automatically set to PNG, which is the required format to preserve transparency. Just below the quality settings, I locate the transparent background option and click the toggle switch to enable it. With the transparent background option turned on, I click the purple download button at the bottom of the panel. Canva prepares the file, and the download progress bar appears in the bottom right corner. Once the download completes, I click on the file from the browser downloads menu to open it in the photo viewer. As you can see, all three graphics are displayed cleanly with the white canvas completely removed. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a transparent background in Canva.